In this video, I will show you how to clear Facebook activity log all at once. So the first step is to simply open Facebook and then simply tap on menu. Then you're gonna have to simply tap on settings in the top right corner and then scroll down until you see activity log. So as you can see right here. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply select any of these categories. So I'm gonna go with your Facebook activity, and then here you can see post activity you're tagged in. So simply tap on any of these, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply select those that you want to delete. Now as you can see here, you can set them by categories. So here you can simply select your post, photos and videos, and then you can simply select all of them at once, and then you can simply tap on recycle, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.